You got the hiccups, Mercy? Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Mercy. Say hi, I got the hiccups. Oh, these tubes and stuff. I don't like them. No. You don't like these tubes and stuff. Get rid of them. You say hi. Say hi, little girl. This is Mercy. She's 1 month old today. And she's 37 weeks and 2 days gestation. So she's a little one. She's a little girl.